Hi, I got an unboxing video for you, and it's a brand new unboxing on my channel. Now, I wasn't made aware of this box until recently when I was contacted by the company, and I'm talking about Joah Box. Now, it's a Korean beauty subscription box, comes all the way from Korea. So I had a look online, as I normally do, to get a bit of background information about the box. I saw that there's a few unboxings on YouTube, but not many. I'm not too sure how long this company has been going, but I thought it looked quite interesting. I love Korean sheet masks through my Mask Time subscription, so I'm really interested to see what the skincare and the makeup products are like. But one of the main reasons I said yes is the fact that it ships free worldwide. Now, a lot of you asked me, do I know of any subscription boxes that ship worldwide? Because certain boxes ship just within the UK or just in the US or just in certain areas, you know, but they don't ship all over the place. No, this box ships all over the place and it's free, so I like that. So it is a monthly subscription box, but you can opt for a one-off box. So a one-time box will cost you $35.95. If you're in the UK, £27.42 or €31.18. So that's for the one-off box. Now, for the monthly subscription, that brings down the cost a little bit. The monthly subscription would cost you $33 or £25.18 or €28.62. So it brings it down a little bit. But they also do 3, 6 and 12-month subscription, which brings down the cost. I believe if you take out a 12-month subscription, you get like 12 boxes for the price of 11, so it does bring the cost down a little bit. Now, you can cancel any time. They tend to ship out the boxes around the 10th of the month, but because they're from Korea, it can take up to about 4 weeks for them to deliver, so expect a little bit of a longer delay maybe, but generally within 4 weeks you will get it. So inside the box you get between 5 and 7 full-size items, and these range from skincare, makeup, beauty tools, nail care, plus they give you tips and tricks as well on how to use the products, which I really like. When you sign up, there is a little section on the website to give you a little bit of your personal touch on the box, so you get to say what your skin type is, what your skin tone is, and also you get to choose what sort of items you'd like to see more of in the box, which I had to do as well, so I'm quite interested to see how personalised this box is for me. It says on the website that there's no animal ingredients in any of the products. Now, I've queried whether that means that it's cruelty free or not, so I am awaiting a response, so I will link that down below. I'll put it in big capital letters so that you do know, and also I have a 10% off code, so I will link that down below as well. So click on the show more, that I'll bring at the description, and everything related to this box will be down there. And then lastly, if you're interested in seeing what previous boxes have been like, they do have a big list of all their boxes on their website, so you can flick through and see what sort of items you're likely to get each month. So let's open it up and see what I received. Okay, right. Oh, I've seen something I'm really excited about, lashes. So those are the items. I'll just put them down here to the side of me. This is a Joah Box, Korean beauty subscription box. It's just like a little card. So, see there, just like a little card in the box there. And then we've got a little leaflet then. And in here, I'm assuming, yeah, it's got everything to do with the products. So does it tell you? It tells you the price, which I like as well, because I like to tot it all up and let you know how much the actual box comes to. And yeah, it gives you some information about the products. So I'll be referring to this as we go along. So I'll pick up an item, show you, and then refer back to this. So then, let's see, first item, a white little box of something. And this is in shade Goodnight Copper, so I'm assuming it's a makeup product, and it's a Dry Skin Satin Shadow and Fixer. Ooh, Dry Skin. That's what that looks like there. Let's open it up. Ooh, what is this then? Satin Shadow and Fixer. That's what that looks like there. You can see on the back, it's all in Korean. So the recommended retail price for this is $13, and it says, we love to share with you the latest K-beauty discoveries. This is a shadow, base and fixer at the same time. We pick 3 shades, champagne, copper and great brown, so I've got the copper one, to help you get the fall season looks. And it says, apply the fixer primer side first on your eyelid, then apply the shadow. Oh, okay, and it says, share your makeup looks with us on Instagram. So it's a 2-part thingy then, is it? Is it? I'm not too. Oh, yes, it is. Right, okay. That's so it's a 2-part thing. Oh, thing. I'm really great at describing this, aren't I? So I would apply that. No, what would I do? Hold on. That is a gorgeous colour. That is so pretty. Can you see that? copper colour. Oh, that's so pretty. Right, okay, if I put that back in there, I'm assuming this is the fixer. So this is like an eyeshadow primer. Yeah, this is the primer. You're not going to be able to see anything as such there. It's like skin colour. I like this idea. So I'll put that on there, and then I'll just put some more of this copper shadow on top. So it's an eyeshadow, primer and a fixer. And I'm going to be stuck with this now all day, probably. So no, so you can see there, I've just applied it there. But no, how interesting. I've never tried anything like this before, so I'll see how that dries and I'll give it a bit of a rub to see how much comes off. But no, really excited to try that. And yeah, I love that colour. That is absolutely beautiful. Definitely a colour I would wear, so now happy with that. The next item is the item that got me excited when I saw the box, and it's lashes. Now these are Pony Effect. So there you go. See there? Ooh, what do they look like? Oh, they're really nice. Daytime lashes, definitely. Not your thick and fluffy ones, but daytime, which I love. Absolutely love these type of ones because they've got a really thin band and you can't really feel like they're on your eyelids when they're really thin. And no, they're gorgeous. They look nice and fluffy as well. Shall I open them up to see what they're like? Oh, I like the packaging. I didn't realise you had the glue in there as well. Sorry, the ring light's probably reflecting off badly. So you've got the glue there. Excuse the state of my nails, by the way. I need to get them sorted straight away. No, they're lovely. I will trim them down. They're a little bit too long for me. I've got tiny eyes and I always trim my eyelashes. No, not my eyelashes, sorry. My fake eyelashes, I should say. But no, really happy with them. Really happy. So these are Effective False Eyelashes by Pony Effect, and is it Seoul? I know it's in Korea. How do you pronounce it? S-E-O-U-L, Seoul. And the recommended retail price is $20, and it says, long time no Pony Effect. This time we are featuring these false eyelashes coming in two versions, Bittersweet and Just a Rumour. I have got Just a Rumour, and it says trim lashes to fit eye shape if necessary, yeah, and then apply a thin layer of glue which is included to the band of the false lashes and place right above your natural lash line and hold in place until the glue is dried and your lashes are set. So now for my second item, I'm really chuffed with that. That's really lovely. Funnily enough, the one I applied first without the primer is not coming off, but the one that I've applied on top of the primer is slightly coming off, but maybe it takes a little bit longer to dry, I'm not sure, but no, still happy though. So next item is, what is this? April Skin Medica Solution Cream that helps smooth skin by providing moisture and nourishment and helps form a moisturizing film of the skin and keep your skin healthy. So this is in Korean at the back here, so that's what the outer packaging looks like. So it's a moisturising cream. Now it doesn't say, I'm assuming it's a moisturising cream for my face, but let's have a read first before I try it on my hand. So the recommended retail price for this is $25. Medica Solution Cream is moisturising and hydrating with a creamy texture, creating a moisture barrier, strengthening the skin and helps absorb beneficial substances. It calms and protects with a non-irritant formula, also lowers skin temperature, making skin less sensitive and leaves a non-sticky fresh finish. Apply on clean skin after toner daily and can apply before makeup for a hydrated skin and smooth makeup application. Ah, right, okay, let's try it then. Ooh, it's quite a rich cream. What's it smell? It almost smells sort of medicinal. It's nice, it's got like lemon smells in it, which I do like, but it's got like a medicinal sort of smell to it. It's hard to explain, but it feels, oh, that'll make your skin feel gorgeous. It does, it feels really nice on my fingertips as well. So that's our third item. Then our fourth item is, oh, it's got something sticking out of it. What's this? Oh, maybe this is an English leaflet. Glow Hill Total Solution Glow Ampule Pad. Ooh, 7 days intensive care. Highly concentrated ampule pad for vital and elastic skin containing African walnut oil and squalene. Ooh. What on earth is this? Oh, sachets. There's sachets in here. So there's 7 sachets. I don't want to open them up because I don't want to waste it, but I'll have a read in the information booklet. So there's 7 there. And yeah, there's a picture here of a person. Yeah, it is like a pad there, you can see there. So there's the information on how to use it there. After washing, apply the pad for a smooth, clean complexion. As soon as you wash your face, apply a pad instead of wiping with a towel to finish. Total care is available with just 1 Ampule pad. Too many things on your dressing table. Apply pad to absorb as if toweling dry after washing face. After the face, use on dry areas such as neck, elbow and heel. That sounds a bit bizarre, doesn't it? So in one way, it's like a product to use that is a bit gentle than an actual face towel, but then it also sounds as if it could be moisturising if you're going to apply it to your elbows and stuff. Oh, I'm confused. I don't think it is a serum. Right, what's it say here? The recommended retail price for that 7-day pad set is $12. Glow Hill are very innovative and come with new concepts after the handy practical perfume brush. I don't know. We are introducing these 7-day intensive care Ampule pads. Also comes in a 3-week version as well. The pads are highly concentrated with African walnut oil and squalene. After cleansing, gently wipe the pad along your face and neck once a day for 7 days. The pads are full of Ampule, so you can apply the rest of it all over your elbows and knees. They deserve some care too. Yeah, I am right. It is like a serum, like a moisturising serum. The whole towel thing threw me, but no, really excited to try that. A bit different, and that's what I love about beauty boxes, is trying things that I would never think to try. Never knew that was even out there. So our last item, it looks like a face mask. What is it? And it is, and I've had it before. Is it baby face, is it? Yeah, baby face injection. This is really, really lovely. I had this a couple of months ago in one of my Mask Time subscription boxes. It's a subscription box with about like 15 odd Korean face masks in it, and it is really, really lovely. It's baby face injection mask. So no, really, really nice. I think this is worth a couple of pounds as well, from memory. What's it say here? The recommended retail price is $3.50, and it's a sheet mask time. We've picked 3 variations: antioxidant, water glow and baby face. So I've got the baby face. This mask line is 11 chemical ingredients free. Not sure what that means. At the last step of your skincare routine, apply the sheet mask and remove after 10 to 20 minutes. Pat, pat, pat the excess amount of essence into your skin. So no, I'm really happy to try this again. It was really nice. I think me and my daughter did one together one night, and I did this one and she did another one. But no, so those are all the items. So I'll just gather them all up. So those are all the items. I've just totted them all up, and they come to around $74. Now, the whole box would cost you, for a monthly subscription, $33. So the value is double the price of what you'd pay for the box, which I think is really good. Now, I am, as I said at the beginning, I'm new to Korean beauty skincare products, so I don't really know much about them, so I can't give you a comparison. I can't really say whether it's really great value for money. Personally, I am really, really happy. I think there's a great mix there. I love the fact that it can be personalised as well. So, you know, I've got that eyeshadow primer thingy, wherever it is. Where is it? There. In a colour that I absolutely adore, and these lashes are gorgeous. Where are they? These lashes are gorgeous. Anti-aging cream, and this Ampule 7-day treatment skin thing. I really like it, and the mask, of course, because I've had it before and I know I really like it. So I'm quite chuffed with this box. I think it is really, really lovely. I'd love to know your thoughts. This is something new for me and something new for my channel. I might be receiving another box next month. I'm not too sure, but I'd love to know your thoughts. Do you think it's really good value for money? Have you seen other Korean beauty subscription boxes out there? How do they compare? I'd love to see what your thoughts are. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye bye.